for this round, actually, there's been no significant change. Okay, no significant change. So Aventado remains to get the 80% voters' preferences. Lim increased a bit from 6 to 10, and then Lepando from 2 to 3. Okay, let's go first to the details of the voters' preferences for governor. So if you take a look, 8 out of 10 Bolano voters voted for Aris Aventado, and this is true across all variables. Let's go to vice governor. The Bohol poll result, April 4 said there is a tie between Destas and Garcia, given the margin of error of plus minus 5. Let's see the results now. Okay, so for this round, Besas already led against Garcia. So Besas from 31 went up to 42. Garcia slightly changed from 28 to 29, same for Abelia. Let's look at the details. Okay. Across districts, Besas led in District 1, tied in District 2, and led in District 3. That's for Besas. Take note, stray vote is still 17%. What do you mean by stray vote? Stray vote because the methodology in the pre-election round is we ask these people to really cast their votes using the ballot. So, stray vote meaning, 1, they did not answer the ballot. 2, they answered more than what was required. Ibis usara, answered duha. No, ibis tulura, answered na po. So, stray vote. So, in other words, we still have 17% Bolano voters na not accounted for. The ASEA class ABC, 26% pa po. Okay, let's proceed to first district representative. Okay, so here we said in the regular round that Yap led. Okay, pila to ay Marcelo Vera, District 1 man? Plus minus 7. Take note plus minus 7. Okay, let's look at let's look at the result of the pre-election round. Chato, Pisaras, and Yap tied. Okay, for District 1 representative. So, Yap's voter preferences significantly declined from 50 to 35. Pisaras voters preference flipped from 9 to 25. And also Chato from 26 to 35. So plus minus 7, so 14, no? Para matay. So tayo silang tulo. Okay, amazing. Amazing race. Attorney. Okay, look at the details. Let's look at the details. Tagbilaran City remained to be the bailiwick of Yap. And Yap and Pisaras were able to catch up also in Balance District 1. Okay, with 28 and 28. And then Pisaras, if we have somebody from Pisaras here, yes, very low voters preference from Class E, only 5%. And then in the age group, Pisaras also got very low voters preferences from the 50 to 59 and the senior citizens. Okay, next. district representative. Okay, we said during that survey period, Comentado won. And this time, although her voters' preference declined from 89 to 80, but just the same, Comentado Banban led against Membreve. So if you look at the details, across variables, Comentado led against Membreve. But take a look, 40% of the urban voters are still unaccounted for. Next, 3rd District Representative, we said, April 4, that Tutor led. Let's take a look this time. Just the same, Tutor led against Castañares. Just a slight change, and also for Castañares. If you look at the details, Tutor's voters' preferences were consistently high across districts. And again, unaccounted for 20% urban voters. Let's go to Tagbilaran City Mayor. Okay, Pao. When we process the results, yung mga pipupulbaan kung kinsay siya ka nang daw ba. Okay, so we said that Jane Yap won during the during the regular round of the Bohol. Let's see. Jane Yap still led in this round. Okay, from 54 to 64. Remember, in the April 4 presentation, the stray vote was 21, and then you asked, nakuha ko malinig stray vote. Obviously, the 21 stray vote, a big chunk of it went to Yap. But there's still 5. Namurag, gamuni-muni pa ni, asam nakuha niya? Details? Okay, so very, very evident that Yap's voters, 81%, come from the young age group. And then, patas-patas sila ni Turamba sa 40 to 49 and 50 to 59. Take a look. Class E voters are not yet accounted in this survey. Vice Mayor Hala was declared the winner in April 4. This time, during the survey period, not much has changed, but still, he led against Balbin and Veloso. So the details, okay, consistently high across all variables. See, Hala. Class A voters, 17%, and then the 30 to 39 voters, they have not been accounted for yet. Okay, let's go to the board of directors.